Hey yo, what's poppin', guys? It's your man Ricky David, and I'm back at it again. Right now, we're getting ready to prep these hoodies. Right now, kind of expanded it a little bit, expanding the business, expanding the brand as well. House of Dreamers. Right now, you know, when it's come to your journey, you start to just do things that are temporarily. Now we're just kind of bridging the gaps and then making a lot of things a lot more permanent. Well, I can't say really permanent. It just expanded a little bit because the business is expanding, just so we can exceed and then expand it even more. So right now, like I said, we're just doing preparation right now, getting the hoodies situated before we start doing any production. So right now, we just got to find different strategies of how we're going to initially do things. In the midst of it, these are certain things that a lot of people tend to try to figure out in their mind. So kind of strategize on things that if it's here in your mind, just kind of put it on the board, just kind of see where the different visuals are. These type of things are temporarily, so we initially want to start taking those takeaways of like what works, what doesn't work. So a lot of times, when I do work, it kind of puts me in a way of like very limited. So kind of now just kind of move it right now and just doing things strategically different. So right now, like I said, we're getting ready to prep a bunch of hoodies right now, bunch of orders right now. So let's get it. So watch the process, guys. You can also follow me on all social medias. You can also subscribe here as well. Leave a comment below. Also like this video as well. And we're gonna get right into it, man. This is a new journey. Expanding it, but also at the same time doing things that are temporarily. Because we just going into different steps, and also you got to find your stepping stones are as well. So let's get it, guys. So we're getting ready to initially start to put the stabilizer on the hoodies. So what we're initially doing is turning all of them inside out to even start putting a stabilizer on there. Obviously you've seen that the steps of cutting the stabilizer, putting the adhesive spray on there as well. You guys want to do that. I actually doubled up on stabilizer for all the garments, especially for hoodies, even if it's light or heavy. It all depends what your preference is. All my hoodies pretty much is double stabilization. with adhesive spray as well. Double up on adhesive spray as well. So we're initially gonna be, now we're putting all the stabilizer on all the garments, the hoodies. So that way, this is the process, this is preparation. In case you guys wondering, or even want, preparation, ideas to go even faster on production, this can actually really help out as well. It's kind of helping me as well. So to get the time in, to get as much production out. So everything's about time, guys. It's mentally figure out the strategies, strategically find out different ways, find out different tips, any ideas. So I kind of, go off of what you guys tell me, or leave it in the comments and stuff like that. Also figuring out what other people are initially doing. So, and a lot of people don't really talk about, the preparation of how their production and how they're running it. So this is it. So let's get to it, guys.